9 months. 9 months have passed since we have last seen you. We did not leave you by choice, but we must abide by the same moral boundaries that set us apart from those we condemn. We failed, and so we accepted a vow of silence for that failure. We have sat in the shadows, and we have waited, but tonight we will no longer stand idly by. Tonight our vow of silence will be broken. For tonight we must be the voice for the silenced. Tonight we must stand for those who cannot. Tonight we will seek justice once again. But on this night, like the stars, our light returns in the presence of darkness.
Although we find the anonymous ideals both dated and boorish, we are contracted mercenaries after all. And they just happen to offer the one thing that we simply could not refuse. A victim. And Riley, when both light and darkness come for you, there truly is nowhere left to hide.
You should have expected us.
What's up, beautiful people? Welcome to some vlog again. So as I said, I will back with new tricks in 2018. Here it is. First of all, make sure that you have a new account. The link is given below in the description. Go to the description and click on the link and get signed up. You can use this trick for your old Freebitcoin account also, but new one is much risk-free. So I prefer you to use new account for Freebitcoin. And when you open a new account, you should deposit some Bitcoin Satoshis, like 30,000 Satoshi or more. And or you can get this for free, clicking on free roll every hour on the session Freebitcoin. That would be the landing process. So I prefer you to deposit some Bitcoin from your Bitcoin wallet or from localbitco.in. So let's start. Go to multiply BTC, 10 auto bet, and base bet default 1 Satoshi, then max bet 20, bet odd 3. Then number of roll unlimited, make it unlimited. Then click on alternate, bet on alternate. Then don't click any of them, stop betting after. Then on win, return to base bet, and on lose, increase bet by 75%. Then on hitting max bet, return to base bet, do not refresh, then start auto bet. Look, it is the safest process in YouTube. And see, stop betting after winning a bigger amount like 1000 Satoshi or 500 Satoshi, then play again after a few minutes. Okay, I earned 500 Satoshi and get one rare one. Then the main trick is puzzle the system, then bet on high. again saying puzzle the system. It's increasing. It is safe. But slow. Guys, if you have a bigger amount, like more than 5,000 Satoshi, I prefer you to try best bet on 10 Satoshi. Start automate 10 Satoshi. That will be faster, but risky. Oh, 1,000 done. 2,000 done. Ouch. I think enough for now. Then bait on low. The main thing is puzzle the system. Saying again, puzzle the system. Ouch. Guys, note that for lower balance you shouldn't try this. You should bet on 1 Satoshi, not 10. Okay, done. Then on alternate. Bet on alternate. See, I'm puzzling the system and increasing my Bitcoin. Ouch. Salute. Oh my gosh, 11,000 Satoshi, that is about $2 or more. Oh shit, successfully earned $4 within this few minutes. Oh my gosh, it's pretty good. For the beginner though, don't try this best bet on 10 Satoshi. For lower balance, you should try best bet on 1 Satoshi only. Notice, guys, and then start again. Ouch. This is for lower balance. So here is the trick, guys. Stay safe, stay good. Goodbye.